Okay, so what we got here is a 2013 SXT Challenger. It's got a powered rear view mirror. And after taking it all apart and pulling the headliner down, because I want to install this nifty little adapter. To power my dash cam. But you know what? That mirror's in the wiring harness, and there ain't no quick connections up there. It just goes straight on down and around and whatever. And this little doohickey ain't gonna work. So be aware, if you got a 2013 Challenger, that powered mirror, make do with the hanging wires. It came apart relatively easy. It'll go back in relatively easy. I'm disappointed. I really was hoping that there was a male and female connection up here, because then that thing would have worked. Would have worked out fine. But not happening. I'm not taking things more apart to cut open a wire harness to find the wires to tap into to make this thing happen, because that's what would be required. You'd have to open up the wiring harness, cut the tape off, expose the wires, and then figure out which wire you wanted to get to bleed off of a USB that powers on and powers off with the car. So now you're here, now you have it. I've been searching around, looking at everything on YouTube, but nobody was specific on the 2013 Dodge Challenger SXT with the powered rear view mirror. So hopefully this will help you out and make you avoid thinking that this adapter is going to work. Have a good day. Mike out.